Hey, I thought it was worthwhile taking a trip to Sancerre in the Loire Valley of France. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And today we're going to Sancerre. Okay? Sancerre is a village in France, in the Loire Valley. They're known mainly for their white wines, although they do have some reds. But it's widely considered perhaps the best place in the world to get Sauvignon Blanc. We're going to put that to the test today. And I mean, for those of you who haven't had a Sancerre, you know, if you like a New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc, you know, those wines typically are pretty sharp, very precise, very light and easy to drink. These wines, same grape, 100% Sauvignon Blanc, are going to be a little rounder and a little, let's just say, fuller as far as flavor goes. They're not as sharp. Sharp is the best way for me to describe the New Zealand Sauvignon Blancs, and the Sancerre are, you know, they're just rounder versions of the wine. So this is a 2019 Les Allies Sancerre. So another sample provided from friends at Cost Cutter Liquors in Connecticut. Let's see if it is worth a buy. I don't know. The fish are jumping here. All right. So this wine is very clean. So it's very clean on the nose. It's loaded with citrus. So that citrus is kind of like a lemon lime, but it's not fresh squeezed, right? It's kind of been sitting out for a few hours, so it's softened. So a soft lemon lime. Yeah, and like a sheet metal. So sheet metal, soft lemon lime. See what it tastes like. These wines are so easy to drink, man. There's kind of more pineapple-y on the palate, which is very cool, right? That lemon lime, there's some citrus note there, but it's really more pineapple. Really, really light, clean, but soft, right? There's some acid there, but it's not taking over your palate. So, I mean, I think this is pretty typical for Sancerres that I've had in the past. If you haven't had a Sancerre and you like light white wines, right, light-bodied white wines, or if you just like Sauvignon Blanc, you know, I encourage you to give them a try. They're still relatively reasonable, although you'll pay up for them. Right? Usually, let's call it the $18 to $30 range for a bottle like this. I mean, if you see this one, I think you can buy it safely. You'll enjoy it. Again, on a sunny day like today, wine for the summer, some seafood, some salads, even a little chicken. It's gonna work. So, hope you enjoyed the episode. I'll be seeing you again very soon. Got a lot of stuff coming up. A lot of wine to talk to. Not only wine, but you know, spirits to drink through. Because you know, I'm down in Florida. I'm gonna be raiding my parents' liquor cabinet soon. See ya.